Hello everybody and welcome back to BizMentor Hub. My name is Matt and in today's video we are going to discuss about the evolution of Bitcoin in 2024. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin continues to be a trailblazer, setting the tone for the entire digital asset ecosystem. As we delve into the year 2024, the evolution of Bitcoin takes center stage, showcasing a myriad of developments, challenges, and innovations that have shaped its trajectory. This comprehensive analysis explores the key facets of Bitcoin's evolution in 2024, including technological advancements, regulatory landscapes, market trends, and the broader implications for the global financial landscape. The Lightning Network, a second-layer scaling solution for Bitcoin, has been a focal point for developers seeking to address scalability issues. In 2024, significant enhancements to the Lightning Network have been witnessed, resulting in faster and more cost-effective transactions. Improvements in channel management, routing algorithms, and overall network efficiency have contributed to a more seamless and user-friendly experience for Bitcoin users. Privacy concerns have been at the forefront of the cryptocurrency space, prompting developers to prioritize privacy-focused features. In 2024, advancements in privacy protocols, such as CoinJoin and confidential transactions, have bolstered Bitcoin's privacy features. Additionally, security measures have been reinforced through the integration of cutting-edge encryption technologies and enhanced multi-signature schemes, making Bitcoin even more resilient against potential cyber threats. Bitcoin's journey in 2024 has been closely intertwined with the evolving regulatory landscape. Governments and financial institutions around the world have grappled with the challenge of creating a regulatory framework that accommodates the growing influence of Bitcoin. Some nations have embraced a progressive approach, recognizing Bitcoin as a legitimate financial asset, while others have been more cautious, implementing stringent regulations or outright bans. The diverse regulatory responses have created a complex patchwork that continues to shape the global adoption of Bitcoin. The rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, has added a new layer of complexity to Bitcoin's regulatory environment. In 2024, central banks globally have accelerated their efforts to develop and launch CBDCs, with some viewing them as potential competitors to Bitcoin. The coexistence of CBDCs and Bitcoin has raised questions about the future dynamics of the cryptocurrency landscape, as regulators navigate the challenges of fostering innovation while ensuring financial stability. The year 2024 has witnessed a surge in institutional adoption of Bitcoin, signaling a shift in perception among traditional financial entities. Established corporations, asset management firms, and even sovereign wealth funds have incorporated Bitcoin into their portfolios as a hedge against inflation and a diversification strategy. This influx of institutional capital has contributed to increased liquidity and reduced volatility in the Bitcoin market. The intersection of Bitcoin and decentralized finance, DeFi, has been a notable trend in 2024. DeFi protocols built on Bitcoin's blockchain have emerged, offering a range of financial services, including lending, borrowing, and yield farming. These developments underscore the versatility of Bitcoin's blockchain beyond a mere store of value, positioning it as a foundational layer for a broader spectrum of decentralized financial activities. Bitcoin's energy consumption has been a persistent point of contention, and in 2024, the debate over its environmental impact has reached new heights. Critics argue that the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, while securing the network, contributes significantly to carbon emissions. This has prompted the Bitcoin community to explore alternative consensus mechanisms, such as proof-of-stake, and to actively pursue sustainable mining practices to address environmental concerns. Despite the strides made with the Lightning Network, scalability remains a challenge for Bitcoin. The increasing number of transactions and the growing user base have highlighted the need for continued innovation in scaling solutions. Ongoing research and development efforts aim to find scalable solutions without compromising the decentralization and security that are core tenets of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's evolution in 2024 has not only shaped the financial landscape but also has geopolitical implications. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin and its potential to operate outside traditional financial systems raise questions about its impact on global economic power dynamics. Some countries view Bitcoin as a means to bypass economic sanctions, while others see it as an opportunity for financial inclusion and economic empowerment. The growing institutional adoption of Bitcoin, coupled with its limited and fixed supply, has fueled discussions about its role as a reserve asset. In 2024, Central banks and sovereign wealth funds are contemplating the inclusion of Bitcoin in their reserve portfolios as a strategic diversification strategy. This potential shift could have profound implications for the traditional fiat-based monetary system. As we reflect on the evolution of Bitcoin in 2024, it is evident that the cryptocurrency has not only weathered challenges but has also adapted and thrived in a dynamic and rapidly changing landscape. Technological advancements, regulatory developments, market trends, and the broader implications for the global financial system all contribute to the complex narrative of Bitcoin's journey. Looking ahead, the continued evolution of Bitcoin will undoubtedly be influenced by a myriad of factors, from technological innovations to regulatory decisions and broader macroeconomic trends. As the world continues to grapple with the transformative impact of Bitcoin, its resilience and adaptability remain key drivers of its enduring significance in the ever-evolving realm of digital finance. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, share, subscribe and comment.